Hi guys, Ollie here from Kidscraft doing this adventure for request by Calvin Leung and Hungry Bone Gaming.
Hey Leung, hope I said that right. Right now I'm standing on platform 2 at Lindfield. There's terminating platform. There's a little white thing there, and that's so in case the train does overrun, no matter what, the train's emergency brakes will be put on. Down there, I can only just see it, is Kalara. And it's pretty much a straight line from here to Gordon, except the little bit at Kalara, where the platform is. Across the way is platform 1 at Lindfield. You can light at Lindfield for the UTS Ku-ring-gai campus. Empty departure board, because it's very rare that you get trains terminating here. Although we're arriving onto platform 3 at Lindfield Brower service. Here at Lindfield, final words are A80 departing platform 3 at 74 arriving to platform 1 Blacktown service. Half is an XG set. Departing for a central service of platform 1 at Lindfield.